Hey, Startup Captain! $305 million is what these guys raised in venture capital funding. But what can you tell from their website?
These guys are putting themselves in front of a cannon that one of the biggest companies could fire at them at any moment.
Really? Please explain.
Because Microsoft was the first to use the term Copilot for their AI stuff, no other company can legally use that term for their AI stuff. So Microsoft did not need to register the word as a trademark. When a company first uses a unique term in business, it becomes legally protected from the moment of first use. If another company later uses the same or similar term for a similar product or service, the original company can sue and will win in court. This is how the common law works. This law doesn't care about the company size. In my video about the $4.1 billion secret you failed to see, I explain how a startup brought two Fortune 500 companies to their knees because this exact scenario happened in reverse. This is just the legal stuff. By using the word Copilot in their headline, this startup puts itself in mortal danger because Microsoft's lawyers could wipe them out as soon as they manage to wake up. Aside from the legal stuff, their website headline also tells me that nobody at this startup understands marketing, so any competitor with marketing skills could whoop their ass.
Really? How can you tell by looking at their headline that they don't have any marketing skills?
Their headline tells me they can't even do 1 + 1 in marketing. And if you can't do 1 + 1, you sure as hell won't be able to do anything where you need to know what's 5 × 11. Their headline reveals they're incompetent on the 1 + 1 level. A headline is the most basic thing you have to get right. A headline is also the most important bit on any business website. I've developed something called the CLEAR formula. Any startup founder can use this CLEAR formula as a quick checklist to see how good or bad any given headline is. It only takes me a few seconds to run the checklist in my mind, and the result instantly tells me the competence level of the best marketing person at a given company. The competence level of the best marketing person at this startup is only 4 out of 10.
If you'd like to get Startup Captain's clear formula, not only does he lay it all out in this video on his YouTube channel, in that video, he also shares a secret trick on how you can persuade your website visitors on a subconscious level to do exactly what you want.